All agog, dive into the meaning. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the interesting phrase, all agog. Ever heard of it? If not, you're in for a treat. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in sentences. All agog might sound a bit peculiar, but it's a fun and expressive way to describe a state of keen interest or excitement. Let's break it down. All. This word often means completely or wholly in this context. Agog. This is the star of our phrase. It describes a state of eager desire, excitement, or anticipation. Put them together and you have all agog, which means to be very eager or very excited about something. Origin stories of words and phrases are always intriguing. The word agog is no exception. It comes from the Old French word agoger, which means to arouse or to stir up. Over time, the English language borrowed and adapted it. Now, it's used to express heightened emotion or anticipation. For our learners, here are some examples to see it in action. 1. She was all agog to hear the latest gossip from her friend. 2. The children were all agog the moment they saw the pile of presents. 3. I'm all agog to see the new episode of my favorite show tonight. And there you have it. The phrase, all agog, is a delightful way to express excitement or anticipation. So, the next time you're bursting with eagerness, why not give it a try in your conversation? Hope you found this explainer helpful and fun. Keep exploring the English language and stay curious.